Hello everyone and welcome back to the 17th part tutorial of Beginner Guide into Maya. So this time I'm going to show you another thing, and this is about the polygon pipe. So the polygon pipe as it is right now, if I'm going to press 3 to smooth preview this, you'll see that it will become something like that, right? So it's very nice circle in the middle, but at the overall it didn't stay much as polygon pipe. And this is again where you want to add a little bit more extra edge loops. Now we don't want to use the smooth because the smooth will add a little bit too much, but at the same time you see it's not really adding enough edges in order to maintain those sharp edges that we have on this polygon pipe. So maybe we will be able to increase those. So let's say division level 3 and click smooth, but still yet it's something else than this polygon pipe. So this is where basically I meant that it's not always good to use the smooth option and like right away. So we're gonna simply add those edge loops that I talked about earlier, and we'll do this over here, and one thing that I didn't mention is you need to have a condition in order to create a loop edges. I mean, you're probably trying to add edges, but there are conditions in order to make it and make sure that it really applied to the entire shape. Like if you have places where you do have problems, like if you recall, whenever we try to add edges in order to create the fingers for that figure, the human figure. So all the edges, whenever I turn this chest into triangles by merging those vertices there, then I try to apply that, and the edges didn't went through this part of the chest, only from the back. So what I'm trying to say is, like, you need to have a conditions for it. It must have, be somewhat a clean surface where nothing really has changed there. I mean, you can change it, but there is some hierarchy for this. But never mind. Let's just leave it right now. I'm gonna press F8, and sorry, I'm gonna switch out from that tool, and I'm gonna press 3. So right now you can see that everything maintained sharp, somewhat sharp, okay? Now this is a good condition to say, okay, right now I'm satisfied with my shape, and therefore I can use the smooth. Okay, so it will take me some time, but right now you can understand that after you smooth this, after you've done this process, now it really remained as it is. Okay, so this is why I'm working that way, and basically this is the one thing that I tried to tell you earlier. So again, this is it for this part. Hope you understand this, and we'll see you at the next part whenever I choose what will be next. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.